Well folks, look what I got my hands on. I got my hands back on the KENWOOD TS-440sat. This one has the automatic antenna tuner. This radio I had when I first got my HF license. I bought the radio, the power supply up there, and speaker with a KENWOOD MC60 and stock mic. Originally I paid $650 second hand for all of this equipment. When I had the radio first going off, she had a couple of channels, a couple of frequencies. She come up with all dots on display, and first instance I got through it and managed to get all the goop out of VCO5 and clear up the dot syndrome. Then about 10 years, 12 years passed, and she ended up getting the dot syndrome again. And it actually wasn't caused by VCO5. It was actually by bad solder joints, soldering of the PLL board itself. I ended up resoldering the whole entire board, every single solder joint on the PLL board, and that eliminated the dot syndrome from the radio. So right now she has no more dots. She is solid right across the band, no issues. So the only issue that she has now that I'm going to see if I can fix, the display, S meter, the bulb behind here has since failed. As you know, turn off the light so you can see. The bulb there has failed. They're supposed to light up the meter here. As well, when the radio is turned off for a while and turn it on, the display goes completely crazy, goes nuts. And when you turn the radio on, you got to press A equals B button while you turn the radio on to get it to reset to 14 megahertz. And from what I'm reading online, what I can understand, it's the memory backup battery on the in the radio behind the actual display board is dead and needs to be replaced. So that's the next thing. So I'm going to change the bulb on the meter as well as the battery. I haven't been doing many videos lately, just been way too busy with work. So yeah, we're going to peel the old TS-440 apart and we're going to fix these couple of issues. So if you're interested in seeing how to fix these two little problems, stay tuned. We're going to see what we can do. Okay folks, so that's the original battery, a CR2032 lithium battery. 3 volt. I checked the voltage on it. It was only at like 2.7 volts. That's the new batteries. I bought these on eBay like years ago, and they're still good. These at about 3.2, 3.3 volts. That's a 2.7, and display won't work with that battery. So changed it out, and I remembered years ago that I ended up putting the memory backup battery on a little holder and stuck it to the shield back here. So yeah, that would make the battery easy enough to swap out. And to get at the bulb behind the display, what you need to do is pull up this little cloth here, remove these 2 screws, and this switch kind of push down and kind of twist out sort of thing, and this switch board here will move out, and then you get at the bulb in behind there, and that's how you get at the bulb on the TS-440sat. So now we're going to power up and see See wishy folks. So I've got the memory backup battery replaced, as well as the meter bulb is replaced. So we'll turn off the lamp above here, and just to show you the light. Nice and bright. There we go.
Where we at? So John maybe get in here and he'll straighten us out. Maybe I'll hear it for us now. Yeah, the days and nights. I've been learning a week, it seems. Well, if you download SDR, you can listen to him every time I talk to him. I'm talking about the SDR on my radio. Now, just download the SDR on your computer and get in my slide D and monitor where you can hear who I'm talking to.